Today is 2023, 10/11, Wednesday. We have a 2004 Acura MDX. That's a California model. It has a random misfire code. And looking at the scan tool, number 2 cylinder and number 1 cylinder are randomly misfiring. It takes a long time for it to randomly misfire. So we took out the coil on number 2, and we're about to switch it. We're also going to take number 1 and switch it. And number 2, the coil on the top, number 1, looks very wet on the top. So this is the coil that came out of number 2. And I wrote down the number 2, like I engraved it here. And it's made by Denso. I don't see any oils. Looks pretty solid. So now you can see number 1 in there. It's a little bit wet. So let's go ahead and see if we can get it out. Hold this for me. So we put a 6 Allen in here. Engine is hot. Maybe put a cover here for your wrist or arm. And let's see if we can take out this Allen bolt here. Okay, there's your bolt. 6mm Allen. And here comes coil number 1. Oh, what I should have did was unplug it before I took it out. There we go. There's the plug. Looking at it, looks good. No oil inside. The wires look good. Alright, let's see if there's any oils here. I don't see any oil. Well, you can see a little bit of engine oil right there from the valve cover. But the question is, does that make it all the way down? I don't see any white spots that's showing me that's like a random misfire. Inside looks good too. So I guess we're just gonna swap this coil out for this coil over here. So the story now is like musical chairs. We're gonna take number 1 and switch it for number 6. So we'll take number 6 and put it here. And if my problem goes to number 6, then there's my problem there. And we're gonna take number 2 and we're gonna switch it with number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 and 4 switches, and 1 and 6 switches. All right. Let's finish.